When someone walks or drives past your home, the front entry is often the first thing they notice. In Des Allemands neighborhoods, where southern charm and personal style play a big role in property presentation, a custom entry door is one of the most effective ways to transform a home's exterior. More than just a functional feature, a custom-made door sets the tone for your property, elevates architectural character, and gives your home a welcoming and polished look. A reflection of your personal style, custom entry doors allow you to showcase your taste and personality while still matching the home's design. Whether your property leans toward traditional Louisiana cottage style, modern clean lines, or rustic fishing village charm, a custom door can be built to complement and enhance those architectural details. From panel layouts and decorative glass to hardware finishes and stain colors, every element can be designed to fit your exact vision. Instead of settling for the limited choices found in mass-produced models, you can create a look that feels intentional and unique. Enhancing architectural detail, homes in Des Allemands often feature distinctive exterior features, such as wide front porches, handcrafted millwork, or natural wood accents. A custom entry door can be designed to echo and reinforce those details. Choosing a handcrafted wood door with decorative trim, for example, helps tie the entire front elevation together. If you own a more modern property, sleek fiberglass or steel doors with minimalist hardware can create a clean, upscale aesthetic. The right design boosts curb appeal instantly by giving the entryway depth, structure, and design cohesion. A warmer, more inviting welcome. The front door sets the mood before visitors even step inside. A custom door allows you to create a warm and inviting experience through thoughtful design choices like custom side lights, decorative glass inserts, or an extended transom that lets in natural light. These added touches help your entry space feel brighter and more open, which not only looks great from the street but also improves the interior atmosphere. Guests, neighbors, and potential buyers will notice the difference in both appearance and ambiance. Better fit, better durability. South Louisiana weather can be harsh, with high humidity, heavy rain, and strong winds during storm season. Custom entry doors are built for precision and long-term performance. Because they are made to fit your exact doorway dimensions, rather than a generic opening, they seal better, resist warping, and hold up against seasonal changes. Stronger construction means you maintain that fresh, polished look year after year, instead of dealing with cracks, peeling, or swelling. A well-built custom door is an investment that continues to pay off in durability and appearance. Boosting home value and first impressions. Curb appeal plays a major role in home value. Real estate professionals consistently note that a high-quality front entry door is one of the top exterior upgrades in terms of return on investment. Even if you do not plan to sell soon, a custom entry door sends the message that your property is well cared for. Neighborhood pride is important in smaller communities like Des Allemands, and a beautiful front door helps strengthen that sense of quality and character. Tailored to local character. Unlike generic big-box store products, custom entry doors can be designed to reflect the distinct personality of local neighborhoods, from classic bayou style to modern upgrades for newer developments. Whether you choose natural wood with rich grain detail or contemporary fiberglass design with stylish glass elements, your door becomes an architectural focal point that feels right at home in your community. A custom entry door does more than fill a space. It defines your home's character, boosts curb appeal, and adds lasting value. For homeowners in Des Allemands who take pride in a beautifully maintained exterior, choosing a custom door is one of the most rewarding upgrades you can make. With the right materials, craftsmanship, and design, your entryway can become a stunning centerpiece that leaves a memorable impression on anyone who passes by.